Hello, everybody. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and welcome to another edition of Money Making Monday. And today we're going to be looking at Killi. So this is the Killi app, as you can see here. This is an app where it allows you to make money doing surveys and also answering questions. So I've already earned $4.13 from this app, and this also allows you to make more money with third-party surveys. So it gives you consent to use cookies, and these are the options that it gives you. You usually get more surveys along the way, and then also you have offers here where it's like 6 cents, 6 cents, 3 cents, 48 cents, and it each adds up. And then you can also get $1.56 offers, and the list goes on and on and on. And this is one way that you can make money. Now, before I begin here, I'm not telling you that you'll get rich from this right away, but you will earn a little bit of spending money along the way. And some offers are around $4.20. So you just have to be ready to purchase stuff in order to make money, or you can just stick with the surveys. So we're going to go to the Killi surveys here. Now, this is our first survey. Cellular surveys, they'll usually be about 5 cents, and you'll get a lot of them. So I'm going to be doing 1 out of 10. So they answer questions like, what seals the deal for a phone? For me, it's the camera. So you go complete, and then you get awarded 5 cents. And then you just keep going with the survey. So you take another cellular survey, Android, then complete, and then you keep going again. And then you're going to go back to the surveys. It's a finance survey. What would you link? Would you link your credit card number for cash back? No. So you can answer all the questions like you like here, and you just have to keep looking out for each new survey. So finance survey, would you share your banking info for money every month? No. So you would go complete, and then you earn 5 cents. And you keep going until you earn money as you go. So you can see it's 433 that I have right now. Online advertising, would you watch ads if it paid you? Yes. So you go complete, earn another 5 cents. Boom, earning 5 cents from just doing surveys. And then how much is your data worth? Actually, I would want to know that. So you go complete, boom, earn another 5 cents. And then you keep going and going as it goes along. How much do you think your data is worth to the likes of Google? I would say more than $10 a month. So you can keep going here, and you can cash out at $10. So you can go up in the top corner here, and then it shows you the history and then what you can redeem it for. So if you go up to $5, you can redeem it for Amazon gift cards, $10, $15, $20, and so on. And then you can also redeem for $10, $15, and $20 for PayPal money. So these are the only 2 redemption options that are available in this app. And then it also shows your history of all the surveys that you've done. And then we'll go back to discover. So we'll take another survey. Online advertising, yes, I use an ad blocker. Complete, earn another 5 cents. Boom. Got another 2 surveys to do. Online advertising, how do you feel? Online advertising is your interest? Neutral. And complete, boom, earn another 5 cents. And then we're going to go up to the last one. Should you be worried? I'm very concerned. Complete, boom, earn another 5 cents. So I've just made 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I made 50 cents just now answering surveys. And it adds up. So everybody, you won't get rich quick with this. But if you keep doing surveys to pass the time, you will make money. And that's what this app is for. So if you go into Killi, it gives you 3 options here. So the Discover is where we just were, and then the Wallet is just where your history is and what you can redeem it for. And identity has my personal information, so I'm not going to show that to you. So that is essentially how to use Killi. And if you want to download it, there is a link in the description below this video, so that way you can get started. I believe it's for both iOS and Android to download. So thank you very much for watching this video. And there's also a referral code in the description below so that you can go there right away. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Peace.